Where is he now, the one who knows love? Untainted he flies as the Lord's dove. He teaches with strength in a peace so true. Krishna, we give thanks, he helps us find you. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami
They have been working, her and the whole team, our veteran, everybody has been working very hard to make this possible. So can we get a round of applause for the whole team? And let's honor her. And we will be calling a special person here on stage. It's so ironic. We are celebrating Lord Ram. We are celebrating Mata Sita. With their blessings, They are like the CCTVs in our life who keep an eye of what right we should do, what wrong we should not do. Just like in real life, we have our very respected policemen who keep an eye, keep our Durham region safe, keep the province of Ontario safe, keep our whole country safe. So, with the blessings of Lord Brown, I would like to call on stage Durham Police Superintendent, Mr. Sitaram. Please put a round of applause. Superintendent Sitaram has been an integral part of ensuring the safety and security of our community. Under his leadership, Durham Police have implemented several initiatives to strengthen the community engagement and foster trust. We are grateful for his dedication and presence here today. Please join us in giving him a warm welcome. Welcome aboard, sir.
Good afternoon. I just want to say on behalf of Durham Regional Police and Region of Durham, just wanted to thank you for the invite for this amazing event that you guys have organized. It's been amazing, and I'm so happy that to come out. I know a number of my officers have also come out here today, and they've so fortunate to be involved, and we're very lucky to participate in Diwali with you, and I'm especially proud for my officers there to participate and come out here and see this. We're very lucky, and everyone's doing such a fantastic job. So thank you very much. On behalf of the service and my family, very happy that we could participate and enjoy this celebration. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. A little. If we can get some paparazzi from the audience to come in front from your phone, take some pictures, please. I request anybody from the audience just to bring a phone, come into the well here and take some pictures. Anybody, please. A little memento, just 1 minute, so we'll have a picture time here. And ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor, go on to your social media and please put it as marked safe, because we have the superintendent of police with us. So everyone is safe inside the auditorium. No, just kidding, we are always safe thanks to all of our policemen who put their lives at risk and protect us from the evil. And of course, going on with our Durham Diwali Festival Mela, brought to you by ISKCON Durham, we have to honor a very important person among us. He is the Mayor of Pickering, Mr. Kevin Ash. Mayor Ash has been leading the city with vision, innovation, and a commitment to sustainable growth. Under his leadership, Pickering has flourished within community programs, infrastructure, and initiatives to make the city even better, a better place to live and work. Please join us in warmly welcoming Mayor Kevin Ash. Welcome aboard, sir. Few words from.
I often say more than a few words, so I'll take that as advice. Hare Krishna, everybody. Happy Diwali to everybody. I'm delighted to be here on this holiday weekend. I know it's a time of Thanksgiving. It's also a time for fellowship and friends and family. So it's great that you can come together as a community. In Durham, we're blessed to live in a very diverse community, and that diversity makes us stronger. It's something that we not only embrace but celebrate. And I'm honored to be here for Diwali. So thank you for including me today. I look forward to the beautiful colors and the beautiful song and dance that I'm sure I'll see over the next hour or so. So thank you for having me. Happy Diwali. Oh, and go Jays go.
Thank you so much for always supporting us and being here. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. And I have a very small little gift for you. Very happy Diwali to you and your family, and thanks for being here on this special long weekend. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. That was Mayor Ash for us, Mayor of Pickering, working very hard to make the region of Pickering much better, a better place to live and work, as I said, and he's been speaking as mayor.
Great, great. That's a cheer. Thank you. You know, Ram Lala has arrived here inside our school. Ram Lala is here. He's in our hearts. But we would like to thank Vishwa Hindu Parishad of Canada, VHP Canada, for this. And without further ado, let us invite the lady who made sure Ram Lala is among us. Shikhaji and me would love to call her on stage. Please welcome Neera Chakraborty right here on stage. Round applause for Neera Chakraborty right here. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much for bringing Ram Lala here. A few words from you, if we can.
I really want to thank all of you for coming out on this very special occasion and supporting this meaningful event. I want to thank Ishkan Durham, and Ishkan, period, because they do phenomenal work across the world. So big round of applause for Ishkan. And in the 70s, I grew up with Ishkan in Toronto. And yeah, I love their work. And a special thank you to Srijit and Shika ji and Sanjay ji. I don't know if he's here, but they have contributed so much time and energy for the community. Their love and dedication is unbelievable. The Ramji is in the hall. If you have not taken darshan, he's in the other hall there. He's come from Ayodhya. He's visited 195 temples in Canada, 851 temples in US. So together we've done 1,046 mandirs plus organizations and associations. Please take darshan. This is all about an awakening for Hindus. And great job so far, and I'm really happy, very proud moment for Vishwa Hindu Parishad to bring the community together. Thank you so much, and keep supporting Ishkan.
We are going to honor Neera Chakraborty right here on stage, so please stay here, ma'am, as Shikha just said, with all your hard work and dedication. There's a small token of appreciation for Neera ji right here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram! From the audience, let's have Jai Shri Ram! Thank you. I was, this might sound very, sounded quite new to me. I was discussing the Ramayana once when I was in university. We used to discuss global religions. I used to attend a class. One of the Islamic scholars once came.
The privilege to welcome her on the stage. She's been a great support for all Ishkan Durham's endeavors, and we are delighted to give her a big round of applause. And along with her, we have Councillor Oshwa Jim Lee. Let me please invite him onto the stage. I'm handing over the mic to our very, very dear MP.
Thank you, Shika. Appreciate the invitation here today. And how is everyone doing? Are you looking forward to the Ram Leela drama? Yes, me too. So, it's really an honor, truly an honor and a privilege to join you today at the very first Durham Diwali Festival Mela. This event marks a wonderful new tradition for our region, a celebration that brings together people from all backgrounds to experience our rich culture and vibrant spirit of Diwali, the festival of lights. Good over evil, we call it. Diwali is a time of joy, renewal, and unity. It reminds us of the power of light that dispels darkness, wisdom to inspire understanding, and kindness to bring us together. These values resonate very deeply across all cultures and communities here in Durham. I want to commend the ISKCON Durham and everyone involved organizing this historic festival. Your dedication to fostering community spirit, celebrating cultural heritage, and engaging youth through meaningful activities is truly inspiring. Today's celebration is a beautiful showcase of richness of this tradition and the strength of our multicultural community. I hope you all enjoy the cultural performances that have been thoughtfully planned, especially what we are going to see in the next 2 hours, the Ram Leela story. And I offer my best wishes for a successful and joyous Diwali Festival Mela. May this event continue to grow, shine brightly for many years to come. And thank you again for welcoming me into the community. Enjoy the festivities and happy Diwali to all. And I have a certificate here, I can give it to Shika. So if you could come over here.
I just want to say thank you very much for the invitation. It's good to see other cultures, and I want to wish everybody happy holiday. So again, thanks for the invitation, and I'm looking forward to the show. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. We really appreciate your coming and supporting us. Please enjoy the evening.
सियावर रामचंद्र की, उमापति महादेव की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, wonderful sketch of Ramayana. Whole team means just not the actors. Behind the scenes, stage crew, director, production, technical, whoever is involved in every minuscule part, please come on stage. And to do the honors, I would like to invite Mrs. Shikha Dhinha once again on stage. Whole team, I want the whole team, everybody. When I say the whole team means the whole team. Everybody, backstage, behind the scenes, technical, non-technical, costume, dance. Okay, and I would hand over the mic to Shikhaji to do the introduction to our team.
I think these children deserve a standing ovation. Please. They were super good. They've been rehearsing for past 2 weeks, every evening, sacrificing their playtime, their friend time, everything, and their parents who've done up every bit of prop making, refreshments, direction. It's an amazing team and I'm really thankful. Thank you so much. You guys were super amazing. I couldn't take my eyes off. Breathtaking. Thank you so much. So proud of you. So next, we are coming up with another one in April. So we are preparing for it. Yay! Thank you so much for being a lovely audience for them. Please encourage them. They would want to be back on the stage again.
Thank you, Shikhaji. Let's take a bow to the audience. Jai Shri Ram. Mothers will stay. The actors can go, but the mothers will stay. All the mothers. Ram ji ke mother, Hanuman ji ke mother, Sita Maiya ke mother.
Thank you so much. I'll take everyone's name. I will take everyone's name. So please, starting from here, who's going to be introducing all the team to you. Thank you so much. They have really made this congregation proud.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Thank you. This is the whole team of all the parents, everybody here, and they're really working very hard since 15 days, every evening practicing, everybody contributing equally. I'll introduce Harshi Mataji. She's one of our teachers at the Krishna Fun Club. So kids, we do Saturday reading program. One of the teachers there. Hasit Prabhuji, Renu Mataji, Kanchan Mataji, Aditi Mataji, Rupa Mataji, Aditi Mataji, Harita Mataji, and Unnati Mataji. Thank you so much for coming here today, and Heeral Mataji. Thank you so much.
And put all of them on 5G social media. All the Matajis on 5Gs. Please. They did an excellent work. Round of applause for them. It's ironic and such little kids, one did an excellent performance of Ravana, another did an excellent performance of Lord Ram. There was Vimaji and Bharat, Sita Maiya, the whole Vanasena, each वो है मतलब कर्ण से मतलब बूंद से समुद्र बनता है वैसे बन जाएगा रामायण. We will be calling our next performer in a few minutes if she's ready. To a world of rhythm, devotion and artistry. A Bharatanatyam dancer with 10 years of training under Guru Ramya Viji. Today she's presenting a devotional composition called Sankara Shrigiri, a kirtana by Maharaja Swati Thirulam, set in the raga Hamsadandi and rhythmic Adita. This piece portrays the grandeur of Devadidev, Bhagavan Shiv, Lord Shiva, and the dance is in the celestial Chitrasana, presenting the very talented Hansika Shetty. And we have a round of applause for Hansika. Awesome job. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, first I would like to invite a kids fancy dress show, not a competition, a fancy dress show brought to you by ISKCON Durham right here at our Diwali Fest. Please welcome these well-dressed kids right here on stage. With round of applause, let's go!
My name is Krishna.
This is Krishna. Hare Krishna. Who's next?
My name is Radha.
Wow, we have Radha and Krishna. And first time in my life I'm seeing Radha was taller than Krishna. It took me so many birthdays to learn this. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Radha. Who's next? We can all guess who's that. Oh my God. He comes in with this full concert. Who's this?
I will come with when Durga is traveling on the rise again with courage in heart, bow in hand, and I stand for justice alone.
Maria Purushottam Bhagwan.
I'm Sita, born on earth. Grace is my honor and faith is my power.
Great. And this is?
I am a servant of Rama.
Great.
I'm Lakshman, brother of Rama. My heart is full of Rama.
Okay, and who's next? Let's go on. Who's next in the ambassadors? Please bring that person. Wow. My God, look at you. And you are? You're Krishan ji. So that was not Krishna, you're Krishan ji. So that's our Krishan ji. So say ताली होगा एक बार बच्चे के लिए. Thank you, Krishan ji. Thank you. Please do. Hey, I want to sing something for you. Can I want to sing something for you. जो है मनवारा मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you so much. And who's next? Wow. And who is this?
Hello everyone, I am Ayaz. My name is Ayaz and I am dressed as Morra. I'm to say the fight from Ramayana. Raghukul sada chali aaye, prana jaye, parvatan na jaye.
Jai Shri Ram. Hello?
Also to say that one Shloki Ramayana. Ado Rama Tapurana Divanana Tattva-megam Kartanam Rati Yaranatayi Maranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Bali Vidyam Sumudantaram Lankapuridharanam Paschataram Kumkaranam Etudina Mayana Bol Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki Jai.
Jai Shri Ram. Thank you. And who's next? Who's next in the queue? Oh wow, look at this. The warrior. My God, what's your name?
Avni and
Raman. I can just see you stare. I'm getting scared. You want to say something?
I'm Ram.
So she's the Rama, not Rama, the Rama. Means no one else can take that role from you. You're the evil king. You suited well, your expressions are fantastic. And in the sword, you were so, oh my God, I'm scared now. Don't chop my head off, I need it. Thank you. Thank you. Round of applause for her. I love her expressions. She was into the character. And who's next? After Ram and Sumi. Wow. Who is this? Mangopi or what are you?
My name is Ayana and I'm Radha.
You're Radha. My God, you're a little Radha. Anything you want to say?
Sri Ram.
Wow, Radha, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna. And after Radha, we have, who's there? Anyone else? Okay. Wow, that's a well-dressed person and your introduction.
My name is Sanna and Sita.
Your name is Sanna and you're Sita. Jai Ma Sita.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Thank you. And who's next? Anyone else? That's all? Okay, done. That's our kids' fashion show. And because all the kids, can you guys come back on stage once again? Everyone together. All the participants. Just for photo, all the kids. Come back on stage, everybody. Ram, Sita, Hanuman, Kishanji, Lord Krishna. Everyone wants back on stage. Everybody. Come on, Rama, you too. I forgot to mention Rama. You're the only Rama. You're unique. That's the only Rama on stage right now. Anyone else missing? Okay, let's go for a photo and then we'll disperse. And everyone say Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you. Thank you so much. Great job.
Oh
Wow, that was quite a good performance. Round of applause for these very little ones. I won't say little. Ladies and gentlemen, Diwali is celebrated just not in India, across the world. But the beauty is in India, almost every state, or what we call it, the provinces we call as states, every state observes Diwali in a different manner. So every state has its own clothing, its own food, just like every state has its unique way of celebrating Diwali. We take you.
Gods. Nestled in the mighty Himalayas, Himachal is known for its natural beauty, humble peace, and deep-rooted faith. Himachal is called Devbhoomi, meaning the land of the gods. Festivals like Diwali aren't just celebrations, they are moments to honor these divine presence. Simple lives, rich traditions, harmony with nature and seasons, and faith woven into daily life is the spirit of Himachal. Let's understand the geographical and cultural diversity of the land. Himachal Pradesh, with 3 distinct geographical regions and 12 vibrant districts, showcases remarkable cultural and geographical diversity. From snow-clad mountains to fertile valleys, each region has its unique traditions, dialects, and lifestyles that together create the state's rich identity. This unity through faith is what truly defines Himachal's Diwali. The common thread is the light, faith, and harmony. The celebrations here are humble, heartfelt, and filled with community warmth. Now let's take a little journey across Himachal, how different regions bring their own tradition. In cities like Shimla and Solan, Diwali has a modern sparkle. Markets shimmer with lights and sweets. Kangra, known for its art and spirituality, Diwali here is where temples glow with thousands of lamps. Families exchange local sweets like Siddu, Babru, and Mithai. Kullu, called the land of gods, here during Diwali, processions carry the deities from their temple to fair around through the neighborhoods. The air fills with drums, functions, and folk songs. Mandi, also known as Choti Kashi, has more than 80 temples dedicated to Lord Shiva and local deities. On Diwali night, the reflection of diyas across the Vyas River is a sight to behold. The essence of Diwali in Himachal. Families begin the evening with prayers, visiting temples. Homes are decorated with earthen lamps and lightings. Women make rangoli called Likhno. It is with natural elements like rice slurry and mud. Folk dances like Nati, singing bhajans, and shared festive meals brings everyone together and celebrate with heartfelt reverence, keeping the divine at the center of every ritual. So we saw that every region brings its flavor and celebrates in its own way, but the message remains universal. Light conquers darkness, love conquers fear, and community conquers isolation. This unity through faith is what truly defines Himachal's Diwali. Thank you for coming with us on this journey, and we feel truly privileged that we got to share a glimpse of our culture with all you wonderful people here. Himachal teaches us that joy doesn't need grandeur, only simplicity and gratitude. This Diwali, may we all carry a little of that Himachali peace and purity in our hearts. Thank you, and wish you all a very happy Diwali from Devbhoomi, Himachal. We would now like to perform a Himachali dance video, for our celebrations are never complete without dancing. This is a humble attempt to bring you the rhythm, melody, and spirit of Himachal. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Diwali in the heart of the Himalayas, a glimpse.
ठंडिया
Wow, that was a great performance. 3 generations on stage, taking us to the beautiful land of Himachal Pradesh, how it's celebrated there. Our next performance is an ode to Vignaharta Lord Ganesha by the very talented Aditi Mahesh. After Aditi Mahesh, we have the very talented Akshita and Dishita right here for you. Akshita and Dishita, you too. Next we have Kalaikoval Academy of Fine Arts, a leading and well-known fine arts school right here in the Greater Toronto area. The academy is directed by Kuginthiran Kanaganthiran and Mrs. Vanitha Kuginthiran, who are dedicated to preserving and promoting classical South Indian arts. This institute offers training in Bharatanatyam, Mridangam, flute across the GQ. The Bowmanville campus is led by Mrs. Anusika Mahindran, who serves as the head teacher and in this location. Under her guidance, students from the Bowmanville campus will be performing here today, presenting Khushi, Sanvi and Sankalvi.
This
Thank you. That was Kalaikoval Academy of Fine Arts. Just an announcement I just got from here. 1 second.
Lord Krishna is fun, interactive, and devotional. Through bhajan, stories, dance, and art, these young devotees cultivate values of kindness, devotion, and compassion. Today, these bright kids are going to present a bhajan, Ramayani, as a tribute to Maryada Purushottam, Bhagwan Sri Ramchandra.
Yeah.
सियावर रामचंद्र की, उमापति महादेव की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण. So that was Ram Ayenge for you, and by our Krishna Kids Fun Club, Krishna Fun Club. Now I'll request
Ramji must know that we are waiting for them to come and show what the whole Ramki Leela was. So ladies and gentlemen, respected devotees and beloved members of our community, that sounds so formal. All dear friends, all dear devotees, heartfelt welcome to all of you. What a divine evening this is. As the lamps of Diwali glow brighter tonight, we come together to celebrate not just the victory of light over darkness, but also the power of storytelling, the kind that touches hearts and unites generations. This year, ISKCON Durham brings to you Ramki Leela, a celebration of dharma, devotion, and the timeless story of Lord Ram, in collaboration with one of North America's most inspiring cultural teams, Kahani Junction. A bit about Kahani Junction, it is not just a theatre group, it's a movement built on faith, community, and creativity. It's a family of more than 130 volunteers, actors, dancers, designers, and dreamers who come together every year with one purpose: to bring our stories, our values, and our traditions alive for the next generation. In the last 2 years alone, Kahani Junction has delivered 2 of the biggest Ram Leelas ever seen in North America. In 2024, reaching over 70,000 people in person and 700,000 online. Wow, a big round of applause for that. And in 2025, growing to 80,000 attendees and over 800,000 online viewers within just 2 weeks. Another round of applause. These aren't just numbers, they are reflections of faith, dedication, and love from an entire community. Kahani Junction was founded by 4 remarkable individuals, Nav, Charu, Deep, and Jeetu. Each of them is an entrepreneur, business person, and a professional in their own life, balancing businesses, families, and full-time careers. Yet, they continue to devote their time, energy, and passion in service of the community. Their belief is simple but powerful, that when storytelling meets seva, it has the power to move hearts, strengthen families, and inspire future generations. And that spirit has shaped Kahani Junction into what it is today, a symbol of teamwork, devotion, and cultural pride. The collaboration between ISKCON Durham and Kahani Junction is not just about a performance. It's about partnership, 2 organizations coming together with one mission: to spread the message of Ram Rajya, to inspire faith, and to make cultural and spiritual learning engaging for all ages. Through this event, we also aim to help ISKCON Durham bring more visibility to its upcoming projects, expanding its reach, its service, and its ability to touch more lives across the community. So tonight, as the stage lights up and the story of Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram unfolds, let's remember that every scene, every line, every smile is a prayer in motion. A reminder that together we can keep our culture alive, not just in temples and theaters, but in every heart that believes in goodness, truth, and love. So please sit back, open your hearts, and join us in celebrating Ramki Leela, presented by ISKCON Durham and Kahani Junction, where faith meets art and service becomes celebration. we have a lot of young generation who might not be aware of the story of Ramayana. So let me just give you a little brief so that they also know what's happening on the stage. Tonight we relive a story not just of kings and kingdoms, but of truth and triumph, faith and forever. The story of Maryada Purushottam, Lord Shri Ram. In the sacred land of Ayodhya was born the divine prince, the embodiment of dharma, compassion and strength, the eldest son of King Dashrath, the pride of the Raghu dynasty, Lord Ram. But destiny had its own play. A promise made long ago forced the king to send Ram, his beloved son, into exile for 14 long years. And without a word of complaint, Ram obeyed. By his side walked Sita, his devoted
उधर सीता की पुकार सुनकर राम और लक्ष्मण कुटिया की ओर भागते हुए आते हैं और कुटिया का दृश्य देखकर अति व्यथित होकर पुकारने लगते हैं,
सीता! सीता! भाभी! भाभी!
कुटिया में सीता को ना पाकर राम और लक्ष्मण पूरे जंगल में जगह जगह ढूंढने लगते हैं और मार्ग में उनकी भेंट घायल जटायु से होती है। जटायु उन्हें कुछ बताने का प्रयास करते हैं, परंतु अत्यधिक रक्त बह जाने के कारण वो प्राण त्याग देते हैं। जटायु की अंत्येष्टि के बाद राम और लक्ष्मण सीता की खोज में निकल पड़ते हैं और फिर वो मतंग ऋषि के आश्रम पहुंचते हैं, जहां माता शबरी से उनकी भेंट होती है।
मेरी झोपड़ी की भागा खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे, मेरी झोपड़ी की भागा खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे। मेरे प्रभु आप आ गए, मेरे राम आप आ गए, मेरे गुरु की वाणी सत्य हो गई।
हम यहाँ पर मेरी पत्नी सीता की खोज में आए हैं, कृपया मार्गदर्शन करें।
माता शबरी उन्हें वानरों के राजा सुग्रीव के पास सहायता के लिए भेजती हैं। माता शबरी के बताए अनुसार वो दोनों भाई ऋषिमुख पर्वत के पास पहुंचते हैं। जब सुग्रीव ने पर्वत की चोटी से इन दोनों को देखा तो भयभीत होकर उसने अपने महापराक्रमी और चतुर मंत्री हनुमान को इनका भेद जानने के लिए भेजा। नारायण नारायण, ऋषिमुख पर्वत क्षेत्र में आपका स्वागत है। आप दोनों इस दुर्गम प्रदेश में क्यों विचरण कर रहे हैं?
प्रणाम ऋषिवर, ये मेरे ज्येष्ठ भ्राता और महाराज दशरथ के पुत्र राम हैं और मैं इनका सेवक और अनुज लक्ष्मण। हमें महाराज सुग्रीव से मिलना है।
प्रभु राम, महाप्रतापी दशरथ नंदन राम। हनुमान पूरी कथा विस्तार से बताते हुए कहते हैं,
हे माँ, आप अपनी चिंता छोड़ दें। यदि आप चाहें तो मैं अभी आपको यहाँ से ले चलता हूँ।
पुत्र, तुम तो इतने छोटे हो और क्या सारे वानर भी तुम्हारी तरह ही हैं?
माँ, ये रघु तो यहाँ आने के
मेरे साथ चलिए माता।
अब मुझे विश्वास हुआ कि आप सभी अति बलशाली हैं, परंतु मैं आपके साथ नहीं जा सकती। अब तो मेरे प्रभु श्री राम ही इस दुष्ट रावण का वध करके मुझे यहाँ से ससम्मान ले जाएंगे।
अवश्य माता, आपका ये संदेश मैं प्रभु राम तक अवश्य पहुंचा दूंगा। इससे पहले कि मैं आपसे विदा लूं, क्या मैं कुछ फल खा लूं?
अवश्य पुत्र, परंतु राक्षसों से तनिक सावधान रहना।
हनुमान जी कूद कूद कर अशोक वाटिका में लगे फलों को तोड़ तोड़ कर खाने लगते हैं और स्वभाववश पेड़ों को तोड़ने लगते हैं। ऐसा देखकर सारे राक्षस उन्हें पकड़ने के लिए दौड़ते हैं और हनुमान सबको मारकर भगा देते हैं। अशोक वाटिका में एक वानर का आतंक सुनकर रावण अपने पुत्र अक्षय कुमार को उस वानर को मारने के लिए भेजता है, परंतु हनुमान एक बड़े पेड़ को उखाड़कर उससे अक्षय कुमार को मार देते हैं। भाई की मृत्यु से क्रोधित होकर मेघनाद अशोक वाटिका में आता है और मेघनाद और हनुमान के बीच घमासान युद्ध होता है। और अंत में मेघनाद ब्रह्मास्त्र का प्रयोग करते हुए हनुमान को बंधक बना लेता है और रावण के सम्मुख सभा में प्रस्तुत करता है।
दुष्ट वानर, तेरी मृत्यु तुझे लंका खींच लाई है। इससे पहले कि मैं तेरे प्राण हरूं, तू ये बता कि तू कौन है और अशोक वाटिका में क्या कर रहा था?
मैं पवन पुत्र हनुमान श्री राम का दूत हूं और उन्हीं की आज्ञा पर माता सीता का पता लगाने आया हूं और तेरे लिए ये संदेश लाया हूं कि तूने माता सीता का अपहरण करके अपना अहित कर लिया है रावण। यदि अभी भी अपनी और अपनी प्रजा की भलाई चाहता है तो माता सीता को ससम्मान वापस भेजकर प्रभु श्री राम की शरण में चला जा। वो कृपा निधान बड़े दयालु हैं, तेरे सभी अपराधों को क्षमा कर देंगे।
बड़ा ज्ञानी वानर मिला है आज। लगता है तुझे मेरी शक्तियों का अनुमान नहीं है। जिस वनवासी राम की तू इतनी बड़ाई कर रहा है, देखता हूं वो आज कैसे तुझे बचाता है। सैनिकों, ले जाओ इस धूर्त वानर को और इसे प्राण दंड दे दो।
क्षमा करें महाराज, परंतु दूत के प्राण हरना नीति विरुद्ध है। इसे कोई दूसरा दंड दीजिए।
पिताश्री, एक वानर को अपनी पूंछ बहुत प्रिय होती है, क्यों ना इसकी पूंछ में आग लगा दी जाए। बिना पूंछ का वानर मरे हुए के ही समान है।
मेरे पैर पड़ने से अच्छा है कि प्रभु श्री राम के शरण में आ जाओ और उनसे क्षमा मांग लो। अब तुम्हारे पापों का निर्णय युद्ध भूमि में होगा।
महायुद्ध का समय आ चुका था। राम और रावण दोनों की सेनाएं युद्ध के लिए तैयार थी।
बोले मस्तकों के सुंदर आज जंग की घटी तुम हार दो
रावण के कई महारथी मृत्यु लोक पहुंच गए। पहले 3 दिनों में रावण के पुत्र अतिकाय, नरंतक और बृहस्पति की मृत्यु ने रावण को आतंकित कर दिया और उसने अपने महापराक्रमी पुत्र मेघनाद को युद्ध में भेजा।
कहाँ है राम और लक्ष्मण? आज इन दोनों का काल रणभूमि में आया है। दोनों को मारकर ये युद्ध यही समाप्त कर दूंगा।
हे गरजने वाले मेघ, पहले तू लक्ष्मण के तीव्र बाणों से तो बच।
मेघनाद ने मायावी चाल चली।
They really brought Ayodhya here, didn't they? The class should continue. They've been practicing for months altogether, every evening. And it shows the amount of effort that has gone into it. It is showing today. Thank you so much. I don't have words. I'm overwhelmed. And ISKCON is really grateful for Mahani Junction to have stepped in to support us, to bring this beautiful Ramayana to the Kumbh region.
Jai Shri Ram. Can't hear you guys. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Guys, just want to say one simple thing. We wouldn't have been here without the effort of this entire team, everybody here. So a round of applause for everybody here. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
अभी मेरा वध हुआ है तो आवाज अच्छी नहीं निकल रही। But I would like to special mention our backstage crew. I would request our backstage to please come forward. Please, all the backstage guys. As an actress, we get an opportunity to showcase our talent in front of you guys. But these guys, you won't see their faces, but without them, it won't be possible. So huge round of applause to Nidhi and entire team, Sandeep, Kamini ji, for the new lineup. आप लोग शायद इनकी शक्ल बहुत बाद में देखे, but these are the main guys who put in a lot of efforts that all the props are there on time. The crew is ready to perform. So thank you Nidhi and team, thank you Sandeep, everybody, thank you so much. On behalf of Kahani Junction, I would like to extend thank you to you all who have joined us today. We tried our level best so that you can travel from Ayodhya to the battlefield of Lanka, and I hope you liked it. Please, take the video of it.
The grandeur today is a memory to take back home. So all the characters are going to be in the gym for the photo ops. All those who want to have pictures with them, please step into the gym, have your memories taken home, and we have a lot of food. Please enjoy it. We have some time where we can interact with the team, enjoy, have food, and go back home. One more. There's one person, very important one to be had.
Please. So I would like to call upon one special thanks to Top Diamond Events. Jessica is here. All the LEDs, all the lighting that you see, it's all because of Jessica. Jessica, can you just please stand up? He is the technical guy behind this. So thank you Jessica for supporting us. And guys, if Ramji, Lakshmanji, Hanumanji, your favorite characters. Videography, sound, I would say everybody, entire cast, videography, photography, technical, sound, this hall. Thank you so much everyone. Again, we will be backstage, so if you like to get clicked with your personal favorite, so please go ahead and take the pictures and take the memory home. Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! Thank you so much.
Do you want them back next year? Yes! Louder! Yes! Jai Shri Ram! So let's welcome Ramji into our hearts, and thank you once again. It was an amazing evening with all of you. You all are thank you so much. And thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. Please step to the gym. Memories are to be made. Please stay in the gym. Ramayana